The challenge I have, and say you can help with this question, is that when someone in a leadership position is being professional, that's great. But people like people that are like them. So they want to see that you like them. They want to see that personal side. It's amazing how many people, because I've put them out there, my grandson, you know, how many people want to know about him and that, and because they have a grandchild or something. So we end up sharing that, and that gets to be personal. It can lead to the next step in the grandson, daughter, family, ex-wife's wife. No, it could lead to that whole ball game. When you're saying being authentic in your personal branding, draw me a real good kind of, don't go too far. But what's too far and what's not enough when it comes to saying a personal brand that fits a professional existence? To me, those two words don't are not the same. Personal and
Well,
professional.
and here's the thing, I want to try to align them because we want to show, like, how do you, isn't it funny how we go to work and we put on these airs? And I get some professions are like that, right? Say you're on LinkedIn. I just want to show up and talk about stuff and be me without feeling prim and proper. I just want to be me so people respect me or respect me as a professional. But does that mean I need to completely change who I am? No. And at the same, how would you talk to someone if you go to the grocery store? You would be polite, professional, right? That's how you want to be. I don't know why when we go to work or whatever, we have to button up our suits and be this different person. And then we leave and then we're something else. So if you're a jeans and t-shirt kind of person, why not be a jeans and t-shirt kind of person? Now I get it on some context because listen, I was in legal insurance and those are very buttoned up profession. There's a way to show your personal side, show your humor. There's just a way you have to find out who you are internally before you can be external. And that's what I work with my clients because they think, oh, I'll just do this professional brand, but no, who you are, what's your comfort level, what's your vision, your values and mission. You have to know all those things. And then that will help you find your vision, your value, and most importantly, your voice. Because how we show up online, we need to have our voice in check. We don't want to show up one day one thing and then the next day another, trying things out. So when you do that deep, messy work, you realize I can share stuff. People like it. And so what I do is I tell my clients, like, we're going to find some personal stories we weave in with a business perspective. So that's the way I like to mix the two. Does that make sense? Does that
Yeah, it
give you?
does. But